Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic. Today I want to share with you what we do with folks when they come to us struggling with breathing issues. One of the things we find very useful is to look at very specific supplements that can help to rebuild the organs that need more help. The most useful supplements that I find for breathing issues are Standard Process, the company, and they have one called Allerplex. There's another one that works well, which is called Antranex. It's like a natural antihistamine. And then there's Albizia, which is from MediHerb, the sister company for Standard Process. Those are really useful. And then for folks that struggle with asthma as well, I find Pulmico, Resco, Pneumotrophin PMG are all very useful supplements that can help to rebuild the tissue and then push that function with herbs so that it moves towards optimum function. I hope that you found this useful. If you did, please share it with your friends and family, and I look forward to sharing more with you again soon.